Hello, transformation. And in today's video, I'm going to recurl my hair. I wanted to change it and let it be kind of different. So we're going to see if it's going to be an epic or a fail for this look here. It's been a while since I have done anything to styled hair. So please bear with me. So I'm just going to take a section of the hair and I'm going to bump it for you guys, and I'm going to be using Kiss. This is also by I Envy. This flat iron is the Kiss Titanium, and it works really good. It bumps well. It don't even make your hair smell. Not most of the flat iron make your hair smell. This one doesn't. I love it. So I am sectioning it off, curling it. I don't know why I thought this would probably be the best idea, but you guys will see. So I used some flexi rods as well. Sorry. And I rolled it to maintain the heat of the hair. So I'm going to do another section like that. So I'm just going to section it off. Sorry about my canvas head. Yes, I used to dye hair and I messed it up. I need to give me another one, but I do have dye on this one. So just excuse the siding of my canvas head. So I'm just sectioning it off and flat ironing it. And then I kind of like trying to do a curl with the flat iron. And then I'm just going to do the same process. So I'm just going to fast forward and I'm let you guys see what's next. Okay, so I have the flexi rods all over the hair, the wig itself. So I am completely nervous. So I am unraveling it and I'm like, what in the heck? So I don't know why I thought this would be a really a good idea, but I unraveled it. The curls did come out pretty in the back. It's just the front, like, I don't know. So I just wanted like, something different, but you guys will see. I'm not going to ruin the surprise for you. So we just continue on taking the flexi rods down. So it left, a nice curl. In the back, especially in the back. But at least this is 100% human hair. You can curl it, you can dye it, and it doesn't smell like fish, and it holds a curl as well. So I'm just carefully unraveling. Ooh, they pretty in the back. The curls really bouncy. So I'm just unraveling, and I'm gonna fast forward this part as well. Now I don't know who I look like. Oh my gosh. I'm like, what in the world was I thinking? Like, I'm trying to like fix this up as much as possible, but I don't think I can. The bangs seem like it's all off. The hair in the front, like it's curled too. It's not tight, but it's like bulky. Like, I don't know how I can explain it, but I just kept trying to play with it, and I just thought today would be a good idea. And I just felt really disappointed and saddened deep inside because I thought I was doing something, but I wasn't. And I feel like this was a big, epic fail. So, I tried. on this one. I think if I had longer hair, it would be pretty, but this one is shorter. But this is how it looked. I didn't mind the back. It's just the front. Yeah, it's giving bulkiness. So I'm sorry if I wasted you guys' time. So I went back to straight. You guys tell me, did you like the curl or you just love the straight better? Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And if you want to see more epic fails of me doing hair, just comment down below and get this video up to 100 views.